Now, let's see how to embed images using DataBridge. First, give your entry a name, something that helps you identify it. Then, set a priority and, optionally, add a description. Next, decide where you want to place it. Inside all records and objects, your current one, or apply filters. Filters include operators like is equal to, is known, etc. As you set the filter, the system will show whether it matches the current deal. Once everything looks correct, you can add the filter. After that, choose the type of content you want to embed. In this case, select Image. Paste the image link, adjust the size if needed, and click Submit. If you want to open it, click Open. This will open the image in a separate tab so you can see exactly how it looks. And that's it. Your image is now embedded in HubSpot via DataBridge,